Hey guys, it's Dick here from All Dicked Up, coming to you today to talk to you about push mower maintenance. And today I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil in your push mower, and I'm going to be showing you what kind of products to use, how to do it, what tools you're going to need, and everything you're going to need to know to get going on that push mower. So if you're just kind of snagged up, you kind of want to take care of your new push mower, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars paying some guy that's rude to you at the counter to do it, this is a good video for you. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me how I'm terrible, and thank you so much. Enjoy the video.
So the first thing you're going to need today is this 3/8 ratchet. You're going to take this ratchet and you're going to see there's a perfect spot on the bottom of the mower for you to undo the drain pan. And here you go. You just unscrew that, loosen it up, and it should come out easy. I end up using an impact, as you're going to tell here. I just use like that because it's got a little ball on it and it holds it really well. I don't lose it in the pan. I wouldn't advise doing this. I do a ton of these, and as you can tell, I break it free with the ratchet. But next you're going to do is you're going to drain it. Make sure it's over the drain pan like I have it. I try to keep it level so everything gets out. You give it about a couple minutes. And I'm going to show you another shot of the actual drain plug. It's got a magnet on the end, as you just saw. And then see on the inside, it just fits the 3/8 ratchet. Real easy to throw in. Next thing we need to do is put some motor oil in it. And I like to put a little in it while it's still draining. And we're using just O'Reilly brand motor oil, and that's important. SAE30. This uses for most climates, and the temperature range should be fine, especially if it's an old beater mower. I just tell people to use the store brand motor oil. Doesn't matter. This is old beater mowers I'm just selling to fix, so I'm pretty sure this will be fine for them. And we're in a colder climate up here, so it should handle it just fine. So anyways, I'll put about half a quart in there and check it. As you can tell, I'm real confident with the pour. I typically like to fill it right up, and then I'll drain extra out or siphon it out or what have you. But I ended up just filling it up to the perfect line, which I'm going to show you on the screen now. And you want to make sure you don't overfill a lawnmower and then run it. You can do internal damage to the inside. It could smoke really bad. A ton of stuff. And now you're going to tell I took a big flathead screwdriver, and that air filter is rubbish. So I got to run down to Home Depot or your normal box store. I use Home Depot. And I got to change that. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a ratchet really to do this kind of maintenance. And this is something you should do in the spring or fall. I like to do these in the fall. This mower did not have a blade on it. Sometimes you will have a blade that you will have to deal with as well. I actually need to put on the blade, but I figured before I did that I want to change the oil, show you guys how it's done. I also should check the spark plug, and if it's not kicking right off or it looks rusted or it's just not working right, might as well change it. It's a cheap item. So spark plug, air filter, oil change, make sure you drain the gas out at the end of the year and you're good to go. So that's the basics on what you need to do to change the oil. Drain it out, put it in, dispose of the waste oil properly, and you should be all set. Again, it's SAE30, and it's a Craftsman 6.0 or any basic lawnmower.